Hey everybody, it's DiveGirl Deb. And as you can see, the girls are topless. Ta-da! Full sun. Well, the weather's starting to look pretty bad and it's gonna get worse, so I decided that it's time to harvest. I'm getting some really nice little bits of amber to show, so they are in fact ripe. And this morning I took down the roof pipe structure. The plastic is back behind there for the cherry wood. And there's leaf litter everywhere from me thinning out the unneeded plants at this point, but that's okay because the chickens will help compost that. And I have gotten out my new trusty electric shears, freshly sharpened, to do the honors. And I think what I'm going to do is just cut them off as long as possible and then hold them together like a bouquet, right? I did unbind them. I took away all of their support and their tops, and I'm just letting them freewheel it today. But look at this. I mean, my hand is 9 inches. These are some really gorgeous buds. So beautiful. So, yeah, look at these little Mac Daddies. I mean, that's amazing. They're all just absolutely amazing. So, see how I pulled them down horizontal? Now I've got all these fat buds on that plane, which is terrific. So, today's their last day of freedom, and it's time to give them a chop. Yeah. I do have a little one over there, and there's a little one here, and this is a smallerish one. But most of them are in the middle, which really I only had, that's 2 plants, 3, 4, 5 plants total. That's not many. But I'm going to have a lovely harvest. Alright, well, I guess it's time to get to it, right? Okay, well, I guess it's harvest time. Alright, I might come back to these little ones. Those I need to cut from back. Alright, let's do these then instead. Actually, I think I'm just going to go around and do a couple of them. And then come back around. So I kind of made this bed where it's 3 feet wide because that's how far I can reach, and then there's 3 feet on that side. So it's a little too far from the reach over here. Alright, girls. I did a small harvest here a few weeks ago, just to test her. Wow, these look so amazing. So amazing. Alright, so I'm going to come over here now and cut these from this side. Wow. Holy cow. That snow is just spectacular. Let me tell you what. Wow. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna call that a pretty good win for this season. Right? It's almost like a bouquet. Beautiful. There you go. That's a good shot right there. All right. Awesome, man. Okay, well these are going to get ready to get hung up now. All right, I just have to sit here and face for a minute in the garden. It's like, this is just wild. It's just wild. Wild. Oh, so good. Yeah. Smells so good. Awesome. Well, I got that done off camera because I couldn't manage the camera with it. So this is my kind of messy laundry room slash boat storage parts room. And so I have a string that's been up there for years for drying, and I put that on here. I took some black pillowcases and put on the window to try to eliminate some sunlight. And I do have a little fan here that I will fire up again when I'm off camera. Wow, they just look amazing. So now I have it inverted. I did leave the stalks really long because I'm thinking there's probably some energy that's gonna come down with that. And there's more resins coming. They're gonna flow, so I'm gonna take these last few leaves off. Not too many leaves left because I really tried to pare it down. But I needed to leave some of these big fan leaves so that it could still bring in nutrients. Yeah, that's beautiful clusters. Absolutely beautiful clusters. Oh, girls. I don't see any mold on them. I've had a couple little spots of mold, but I cleaned up most of that, I think. Oh, this makes me so happy. I mean, look at this thing. That's my hand behind it. You can't hardly see spread out. It's just a nice big cluster. Huge. Wow. All right. Then I have the ones that I did on October 6th here. And this I did on September 24th. Some of the first ones that I did. Because I just wanted to try the resins to be a little bit different. Because this diesel can be pretty heavy-handed.